Welcome back to the Masdoku blog, episode 6. We're gonna be solving puzzle 4x4, difficulty 4, with operators. As usual, we start with single cells, C1 and D1. Okay. Now let's look in cage A1. Two numbers, their fraction is 3. The only pair that could be is 1 and 3. But we can't have 1 in a row 1 because we already have it here. So 1 has to be in this row and 3 has to be in this row. Now we have only one number missing in a column B. Now we look or rest what's left from cage B1. Sum was 10, 4 we already know, so there are two numbers, so sum is 6. Sum is 6 can be only 2 and 4 because like 2 and 4 and also 3 and 3, but we cannot have the same number in the same row, so 3 and 3 is impossible, so only 2 and 4. But 4 cannot be in a column B because it already has 4 here, so here's 2 and here's 4. Then we have the only number missing in column D, it's going to be number 3. Now let's look let's keep row 3. It's we don't actually have any information about it. For example, if you look from cage G2, we know that product of these numbers is 72, and we know that in cell G2 we already have 3. So if we divide 72 by 3, 24. So we know the product of these four numbers is 24, but we already knew it. It's always like that because 7 to 24 is 1, 2, product of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning that currently no information about row 3 is available. That's why we skip it and go to the row 4. We have, let's see where can we have number 3. Number 3 cannot be in cage A4 because there are no two numbers that one divided by 2, one divided by another, and that one of them would be 3 and the result would be 2. So we don't have 3 divided by something is equal to, or something divided by 3 is equal to. None of them is possible. First is never possible, and second is not possible because we don't have 6, we have only size 4 puzzle. Meaning that number 3 cannot be in this cage, it has to be in this cage. But it can be in column D because column D already has 3, so it's got to be column C. Alright. If we have here number 3 and here some other number like 3 minus something is equal to 1, or something minus 3 is equal to 1, we can see the only options we can have here would be 2 or 4. Okay, but later on we'll have different notation for that. What we know, it's not 1. So 1 has to be in this cage. It can be in column A because it's already in column A. Was already 1, so 1 has to be here. And here, something divided by 1 is 2. This has to be only 2. Alright? Then this is not 2 or 4 because 2 already busy. So that's gonna be just 4. And now we see we have solved everything but row 3, and row 3 will just deduce because this is the only number missing in the corresponding column. Here we have 1, 2 and 3, 4 is missing. Here we have 1, 2 and 4, 3 is missing. Here we have 2, 3, 4, 1 is missing. And here we have 1, 3, 4, 2 is missing. Okay, that's how we solve puzzle. Stay tuned for next episodes.